If you open up your iPhone camera and it keeps blinking or flickering, there's certainly some steps that you can take to get that fixed. The first thing that you're going to do is open up the camera here. So I'm going to open up the camera app, and let's say it keeps blinking or flickering. The first thing I would recommend doing is just closing out of it and opening it up again. So swipe up from here and then swipe up to close out of the app and try opening it up and see if it's fixed. If that doesn't fix it, let's head into the settings app on your phone. So open up the settings here and we'll get to your camera settings. So from here, just scroll down, tap on camera here, and we're gonna do a couple different things in here. Scroll down from here and you can see two different things we're going to turn off. One is lens control and the other one is macro control. Both of these potentially have the ability to have your camera keep flickering, or it messes with the shutter rate or the frames per second on your phone. So disable both of those. The next thing that we will do in here is we'll scroll up and you're going to go to record video. Now, what I want you to do is switch this to 4K, and we're going to switch between 24, 30 frames per second, and as high as 60 frames per second, and hit OK. So basically adjust the frames per second. This is how fast basically it renders the frames that are in the video. So how many different images are in 1 second of a video. So adjust all of these and open up the camera to see if it works after doing that. Now, if any of these don't fix it, the next thing I would recommend doing is just to turn your phone off and turn it back on. You'd be surprised how many times this fixes issues. So all you're going to do is press and hold the volume up and the side button until you see the option to slide to power off your phone. So just turn your phone completely off and then reboot it and turn it back on. If all of these don't help it, then potentially there's an issue with the physical camera on your phone. I would recommend at that point taking it into an Apple store. They'll be able to physically plug it in and run some diagnostics on it to see if there's an issue with the hardware on your camera, or maybe if there's a software issue, they'll help you just reboot or reinstall iOS to get everything fixed.